Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel OSR Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the basic concept in organic chemistry. First of all, let us start with the alkyl groups. So what is an alkyl group? It is a radical formed by removal of hydrogen atom from an alkane. We always write alkane as RH, where R is an alkyl group. The basic and general formula for an alkane is CnH2n plus 2. We write it as alk ANE. If an hydrogen atom is removed, if a hydrogen atom is removed from alkane, we get the alkyl group as R. It is also known as an alkyl radical. It has the formula CnH2n plus 1, and now the ANE from alkane is replaced by Yl. So the group is alkyl group or alkyl radical. You get it? Now, what happens if hydrogen atom from different alkanes are removed? Let us see the example of methane. When a hydrogen atom is removed from methane, we get CH3 group or CH3 radical known as methyl radical or methyl group. Here also the ANE from alkane is replaced by Yl. Similarly, in case of ethane, if a hydrogen atom is removed, we get CH3 CH2 group. Its name is ethane, and by removal of hydrogen the ANE is replaced by Yl, so the ethyl group is formed. In the similar fashion, if we go to the further alkanes, for example propane, if an hydrogen atom is removed from propane, we get CH3 CH2 CH2 as propyl group. If the hydrogen atom from secondary carbon atom, the carbon atom which is attached to only one other carbon atom is called as primary carbon atom, and the carbon atom which is attached to two different other carbon atoms is called as secondary carbon atom. If the hydrogen atom is removed from a secondary carbon atom, we get secondary propyl group. This secondary propyl group is also known as isopropyl group. Isopropyl group. Why this group is known as isopropyl group? See how. If we consider the structure of this group like this, we get a methyl group attached to the second carbon atom of the continuous carbon chain. If this group is considered like this, we get a methyl group attached to the second carbon atom of the continuous carbon chain. Hence, the secondary propyl group is also known as isopropyl group. But this is not happen with every secondary alkyl group. Let us see the another example of butane. This is N-butane. If a hydrogen atom from primary carbon atom is removed, we get butyl group. From N-butane, it takes a name N-butyl. Here also ANE is replaced by Yl. Here also N is replaced by YL. Now, if a secondary hydrogen atom is removed, we get the group CH3, CH2, CH, CH3. This is known as secondary butyl group. But this secondary butyl group is not isobutyl group, because if we consider the straight chain like this 1, 2, 3, the methyl group is present on third carbon atom. If we consider the chain as 1, 2, the ethyl group is present on second carbon atom. Therefore, this group is only secondary butyl group, not an isobutyl group. Now, if isobutane is considered, we get different types of groups. Let us see how. This is isobutane. Its common name is isobutane. Why? Because in the continuous chain of carbon atoms, the methyl group is present on the second carbon atom, due to which it is called as isobutane. Now, if hydrogen atom from primary carbon atom is removed, we get isobutyl group. Why it is called as isobutyl group? Because in the continuous carbon chain, methyl group is present on a second carbon atom. Similarly, if we remove the hydrogen atom from tertiary carbon atom of the carbon chain, we get a structure like this, and in this case this carbon atom is attached to 3 other carbon atoms. Therefore, this is tertiary carbon atom, and obviously the group is tertiary butyl group. In similar fashion, we can consider N-pentyl, which is obtained from pentane. N stands for normal. This is N-pentyl group. Similarly, if hydrogen atom is removed from secondary carbon atom, it is secondary pentyl group. In case of isopentane, if the hydrogen atom is removed from primary carbon atom, the group is isopentyl group. If hydrogen atom is removed from tertiary carbon atom, then group is, yes, it is tertiary pentyl group. Remember that the common names of alkyl groups are always given. If the common name is possible. For example, if a hydrogen atom is removed from this carbon, this secondary carbon, the group formed is CH3, CCH3, CH3. This group cannot be named as secondary pentyl or isopentyl or N-pentyl. It has no common name. It can be given only an IUPAC name. Let us now consider the example of new pentane. So, how neopentane looks like? See, in the continuous carbon chain, if two methyl groups are present on second carbon atom, the alkane is termed as neoalkane and therefore this is neopentane in common system. If the primary hydrogen atom is removed from any side, the structure of this group is like this, and obviously it is neopentyl group. Neopentyl group. Now, here is no possibility of any other type of group. No primary, no N, no tertiary, no secondary, only neopentyl group. Similarly, we can form different groups like N-hexyl, secondary hexyl, another secondary hexyl, isohexyl, and tertiary hexyl. Tertiary hexyl. So I hope that all you get how to form alkyl groups and how to name them in a common system. Now let us revise how an alkyl group is formed. When hydrogen atom is removed from an alkane, the alkyl group is formed. Alkane has a general molecular formula CnH2n plus 2. When one hydrogen atom is removed, its formula becomes CnH2n plus 1 and Ane from parent alkane is replaced by Yl. Let us take the another revise to the examples. From methane we form methyl group. From ethane we form ethyl group. From propane we form N-propyl group for primary carbon and secondary propyl, that is isopropyl for secondary carbon. Remember that only secondary propyl is known as isopropyl group and no other secondary group can be written as iso group. Now for N-butane, if primary hydrogen is removed, it is N-butyl. If secondary hydrogen is removed, it is secondary butyl group. Now take another examples to revise. Look, this is an isobutane. Why this is an isobutane? Because a methyl group is present on second carbon atom of the continuous carbon chain. If hydrogen atom is removed from primary carbon atom, it is isobutyl group. Again remember that always iso is not secondary and always secondary is not iso. Iso new prefixes are given according to the presence of methyl group on the second carbon atom of the continuous chain. If one methyl group is present on second carbon atom of the continuous chain, it is iso, and if two methyl groups are present on the second carbon atom of the continuous chain, the alkane or the alkyl group may be prefixed as new. Now if hydrogen atom is removed from tertiary carbon atom, we get tertiary butyl group. Similarly, we can form N-pentyl, secondary pentyl. In case of neopentane, in case of isopentane, we get isopentyl group and tertiary pentyl group for primary and tertiary carbon atom. If secondary hydrogen is removed, the group cannot be given a common name. Now lastly we have N-pentane. Why it is called as N-pentane? because there are two methyl groups present on the second chain of the continuous carbon chain, second carbon of the continuous carbon chain. Therefore, a prefix neo is used before pentane and it is a neopentane. If a primary hydrogen atom, any of the four primary carbon, any primary hydrogen is removed, the group is neopentyl group and it is always a primary group. Similarly, we can form N-hexyl, secondary hexyl, another type of secondary hexyl, isohexyl. Look at this isohexyl, this is isohexyl and tertiary hexyl group. In this way, we can form different types of group. All you requested to please form this type of alkyl groups and make a chart of alkyl group for common names. In another lecture, we will discuss about the functional group and the combination of alkyl group and functional group to form a different types of compounds. So friends, thank you.